another episode of the True Crafting Crew. Yay! As you can see, I do not have on a House of Vinyl shirt, but that will change very fast. So what I am doing today is using our custom printed vinyl, and I am making a House of Vinyl shirt so that I can wear it. So Tori has printed this beautiful pattern for me to match my outfit. So I have already pre-cut our design here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's already cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it out and I'm gonna weed it. Y'all know I'm a scrap collector, so we gonna cut out what I need. This is the design. And I'm gonna put it on this black shirt. So this is what I'm gonna wear. I'm actually gonna make it a crop top, so if y'all want, I'll cut it for you too. Anyway, so I'm gonna weed this out. Okay guys, so now that I got it all weeded out, I'm about to transfer it and press it. So the difference between our regular heat transfer vinyl that comes with the carrier sheet on it and our custom printed vinyl is that we print this pattern for you on the page, and the plastic carrier sheet is on the back. And so in order for this to work properly, it has to be transferred, meaning that you're not gonna mirror this, you're gonna cut this straight up. So if it reads the end, it needs to read the end, not backwards, but it needs to read facing right. So this says House of Vinyl and it's faced straight up. We use transfer paper in order to do this. This is our heat transfer mask. It's clear and it's slightly tackier than the adhesive one. In order to use this, what I do is I put my design on top. The way you cut it does not matter that much. It's not like it has to be cut straight or something. So you lay this on a flat surface, preferably not a cloth. You peel off your clear carrier sheet and just lay it on top. And then we'll use our House of Vinyl squeegee and we'll just squeegee it to make sure that that transfers well. After it's transferred, we just lift it up, and I'll show y'all because I'm not ready to take it off yet. You see how it just comes off? So this is the part that you're gonna press onto your shirt, and you're gonna throw this plastic carrier sheet away. But let's go over to the heat press so I can press it on the shirt. All right guys, so now that we're at heat press, I'm gonna fold our shirt in half so that I know where my center line is. In just a second, that's all you need. So now I have a middle line, center line. We'll get our decal, and I'll fold my decal in half. So I kind of use the light and put a little crease at the top and the bottom. That way I know where the center is. I'll peel the decal off as I'm doing here. And just be careful with it because sometimes, like I'm gonna show y'all, this one little piece wasn't sticking, so you just have to come back. But that's very simple to do. See how I just transfer to the sticky carrier sheet? And so this is the part that we're gonna stick on our shirt. And I'm gonna match that center line, the crease that I made, with the crease that is on the shirt. And I'm just going to press this. And our heat press is set for 310 degrees for 10 seconds. All right. And I'm gonna cut this shirt because I already have on a crop top, so I want the shirt to be a crop top too. So I got my trusty scissors. All right, let's see how this is gonna look. Woo-hoo. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh, I'm about to. Okay, well, let me cut this into this crop. I need 19 inches. Remember, I measured from the shoulder down, and that was 19 inches, and I'm gonna cut my crop. All right, guys, so the last part is me cutting this into a crop. So I'll measure from my shoulder down 19 inches. That may be too long of a crop. I may do 18 inches. And I'm gonna cut. And everybody's hand may not be as steady as mine, so y'all may need to measure more. All right, guys, I got my shirt on. What y'all think? It's cute, huh? It's gonna match my outfit perfectly. Y'all know I'll be on matching, on some matchy stuff. Woo! Boom! Now I'm together, y'all. Now I got my House of Vinyl apparel on and I feel good. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of the True Crafting Crew. Don't forget to turn your notifications on, like, share, subscribe, and see y'all next time. Bye, guys.